Okay. All of you listen carefully. After I teach you what are the parts of this compound microscope, one of you come here. You need to explain 1 second. Huh? Be ready. Okay. So this is called as sir. This is called as compound microscope, and this is called as optical microscope, and this is called as the vertical microscope. It is the vertically we are using this. It is called optical microscope. It is using what light as a source of magnification. And here now I am explaining you the parts of compound microscope clearly. All of you listen. So here you see friends of this one. What is this? Eyepiece. This is called as eyepiece. This is also having what lens, and it is having what convex lens. Convex lens. And you can, these are called ocular lens, ocular, optic. So this is called as eyepiece. And the small tube is, you see the aluminum pipe, and this is called as broad tube. This is called as broad tube. And below the broad tube, you are observing friends of, this is body tube. 3 parts are there. So come on, say what is this one? Eyepiece, and this is broad tube, and this is body tube. 3 are over. Simple. And next you are observing another one. What is this one? क्या बोलते हैं अपन लैंग्वेज में? ये भी उसका nose है. So this is called as revolving nose. So here it is moving. So that is the reason it is called as a revolving nose. It is called as revolving nose piece. Come on, say revolving nose piece. And there you see friends of 2 lenses are there. And it is using 2 lenses, but it is using only 1 lens. So that is the difference between compound microscope and so simple microscope. So its magnification is more. So it magnifies the specimen up to 4,000 times. For example, you are observing friends of our colleague. And if I magnify him up to 4,000 times, and we cannot see him. Why? Because he may get what bigger size. So it is useful to what magnify the specimen up to 4,000 times. Its study is having such a type of magnification. So what is this one? Eyepiece, and this is broad tube, and this is body tube, and this is nose piece or revolving nose, and these 2 are called as objective lenses. Objective lenses. And they are having what? Convex lenses. Objective lenses. Over. Next you are observing friends of 1 and 2. And it is a knob. And it is knob. And this is called as coils. All of you look at this compound microscope. There you see I am moving up the body tube, and also I am making the body tube downwards. So here this squares what tube and can be moved up and down by using this one, and this knob is called as coils adjustment. This is called as coils adjustment, and this is called as fine adjustment. So here you learn. So this is eyepiece. Come on, this is broad tube, and this is called as body tube, and this is revolving nose piece, and these 2 are lenses, object lenses, and this is the coils adjustment, and this is the fine adjustment. Fine adjustment. And now you are seeing this one. So what is this one? Handle. So here I hold this compound microscope here, and that is this part is called as handle. And you see the friends are what? And a platform. This is called as stage. This is called as stage. And these 2 are called as stage clips. Stage clips. So stage is there, and stage clips are there, and handle is there. And you see the friends are what? Mirror. It is having plane, not so concave. And you see the friends are, what is this one? Base or foot. Base or foot. So this is and one important thing you need to remember. You are having microscope, but many of you are complaining that my microscope is not working properly. it is made up of iron. So all microscope they can work. So only thing you need what education. So how to properly use this compound microscope. There you see. This is called as lever. So you know lock. Lock is there, and lock is having key. Lever. And you see friends have lever. So actually at the time of we are giving this microscope, a company are giving what microscope to you, and that time, so you see the diaphragm. This is diaphragm. So it is closed. It is open. So it is always closed condition, and you need to open it. Then only you can see. But you are not opening. Simply, and that is closed. And if you want to watch any microbe, you cannot see. Why, madam? What is the reason? So here, what is that? Lever is there, and this is called diaphragm, just like diaphragm. So we have diaphragm. What is its use? Sir, diaphragm. What is use? We are having diaphragm. You are having diaphragm. I am having diaphragm. What is the use? So it helps in respiration, breathing. It makes the volume, the chest not increase or decrease. So it become what? Relaxed state. Not so contract. Relaxed contraction. Inspiration, expiration. Inspiration, expiration. So that is the use of diaphragm. In the same way, this diaphragm is useful to close and to open the what? Aperture, small hole. It is always in closed condition. Why? Why? Because at the time of giving you to you, and some dust particles may fall, and then you cannot see that it is closed. And at the time of operating this compound microscope, you need to open it slowly, and you see what hole, and here you see mirror, and mirror reflects light on the diaphragm. Diaphragm to what? Here you see friends, that is lens is there, and above the lens is what is there? Specimen is there, and light falls on the specimen. You can see the specimen clearly. Do you understand the secrecy of this diaphragm? So what is the secrecy of diaphragm? Diaphragm is always in closed condition at the time of distributing you. But at the time of using this microscope to observe specimen, at that time you need to use this lever, and you open it, and you can focus the light on the specimen, and thereby you can see the magnification of specimen in an enlarged manner. So I told you all parts of the microscope, and now you please say, so your microscope is working or not? Your microscopes are working or not? Working. It works. Jaya, it works. But only thing is here, diaphragm is closed. So here you see, just below the stage, stage के नीचे you see friends our diaphragm, and it is closed. Open it. So here the lever is there, and you can open and also you can close. After using this microscope, specimen observing microscope, you close it. Why? Because it may not damage. So these are the parts of compound microscope. So I request you, any one of you, please come and explain the parts of compound microscope. Anyone? Thank you, sir. Anyone?